to change voice settings on Discord or fix microphone issues? This guide will show you the latest updated voice settings step by step. First, open Discord app and tap your profile icon and go to Settings icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down and select Voice under the App Settings section. This is where all your audio controls are located in the latest Discord update. At the top, choose your input device, which is your microphone. Make sure the correct mic is selected so your voice is captured properly. Next, adjust the input volume slider to balance your voice level, not too low and not peaking too high. Below that, select your output device for headphones or speakers, then set a comfortable output volume for clear audio. Now scroll down to the voice processing section. Here, you can enable features like noise suppression, echo cancellation, and automatic gain control. These help reduce background noise and make your voice sound much clearer during calls. Once everything is set, your Discord voice quality will sound much more stable and professional. And that's it. Your Discord voice settings are now optimized with the latest update.